my YouTube for his channel.
Team Ninja Turtle, bro.
Sick team.
I like the name.
Look at what I told him. Hey, Zach's getting ready to play against the Nets. Yeah, dude.
Really bad.
Look at what I got there.
I see that. That's nice. I like the figure singing.
I was just thinking about
What?
Oh, nice. Right on. That's from his volume 1.
oh boy, a video. It's so exciting.
Roll tonight.
It's rated. Close your eyes.
Oh no.
I didn't get it. 6. I lose. First?
Well, this is how you win nationals.
Wind up shark? Yep. You just charged.
This Peggy ran too.
Roll 3, I'm guessing. Good thing I got a handful of dark holes. Carlito, look at this deck. Yeah. I don't got this.
Nah, man, it's all you.
Huh?
Scoop? All you, man.
No, I'm not gonna scoop. It's for you two, man.
He's gonna lose with pride.
I'm just gonna play 5 dark holes. What's up?
I forgot what I'm supposed to do at this point.
Do it.
Hey,
You
Zach.
should just go kitten.
Zach, I should play him.
Huh?
I should play
You can play him next, if he's okay with that.
I don't care.
You don't care. I'm sure. Everyone. Do I got this?
He went first. What deck is he running?
You just want magician shot.
First time magician shot.
You're good.
Where's your favorite? Spells.
Zach.
Ball traps?
Zach.
Go.
Dark hole is really cool spells.
I know. You ready for all this? You ready? Oh!
Should I scoop?
Probably, dude.
Alright, man.
Scoop base.
Alright.
Yep. Whopping 300, dude. 4. Yeah, I can do math too. See? I got this. I can obviously open a calculator.
Video going on YouTube.
Here you go, dude. Just try and handle that.
That's totally worth it. I got mine.
He's scared, dude. He's on the run right now. Huh? Just, yeah, I know. Just so I don't take an extra 21. So, 400, 5, 6.
Spells. Go.
Well, still game 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what to decide.
Did you have dark hole in hand?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
I know what you did have, though.
Hi, Monster Reborn. Wish me luck. Yeah, I'm gonna do it, dude.
What? Zach might have
No.
Okay, good.
No, I'd cry.
shot, man.
I'm not gonna side.
Oh, you don't side?
No, you can side, man.
I mean, I was just gonna counter side, so.
No, I don't side. I don't side unless they side. It's not a fair match. It's whoever gets to side first wins.
I mean, both players are allowed to side.
Well, I know. It's just like, for the most part, you got to make yourself hard to get rid of that side, you know?
No, I'm not gonna lie, that doesn't make any sense.
I suck at siding too, so like, that's probably part of it.
Okay, that's probably a big part of it. That's generally how siding works.
You're siding up.
He's special one. He's special one.
I mean, what's decide-in versus wind-ups? Who knows?
Rivalry.
And goes in.
Warlord.
Game tip. Hey, rivalry and goes in at the same time.
Yeah, but goes in hurts me.
Worth it.
It's gonorrhea.
It's not.
It's not gonorrhea. I'll go for it, man. Draw for turn.
Really? Hey, fangs are up.
Play. Rounds up. We'll say no. We'll do it again later. You got game one. We'll just start over on game two.
I wouldn't do heavy strong. I go dark.
Someone's okay.
I think I might have to do it. I don't know if I got to.
Hey, what's up?
Dude, they're so nice. They're like not.
It was the technicality. That was ridiculous. I played just for that draw, honestly. I was like, like if a lot of the two turns, what do you think they really what I did? And then I still lost.
Go.
Normal? I'm right here. I don't care. Brandon. Normal? 18? 19? Is this guy big? Air Force?
I don't know, but it's my table.
No, Joe.
Oh, he's a national champion?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know where that was.
The current national champion. Who's it, game 3? Yeah. He's not actually 3.
He's a play for play.
Yeah, but what game is it?
I got 2 here.
2. Zach lost game 1.
19?
I want to check you later. I didn't get your